So in this series, we're celebrating everything that is in abundance here in our gardens at Ballyknock Cookery School. And I wanted to show you how to make your own herbal vinegar. It's really easy to do and it's quite practical to have in the kitchen. A flavoured vinegar. It's great for finishing sauces. It's lovely sprinkled in, a stew just for that little bit of oomph. And it's of course great with salad dressings. It's really easy to make as well. With this now in your kitchen. So all I need here is my hob on, and then I'm just going to heat up my white wine vinegar. I want a few flavours in here as well. So I'm thinking lemon thyme. So I have some lemon zest here and I've just cut it into little strips or julienne. So I'm going to pop that in and heat that up with the vinegar. Other flavours that I want to use will be the likes of this lovely lemon thyme. And I thought I'd go and put in a few little edible flowers as well. So I don't need to put the edible flowers in with the vinegar, so they can actually at this point go into. So this is the bottle where everything's going to be finished. And I'm going to go with some borage. That's that lovely star-shaped flower. You don't have to do that. You can just make rosemary vinegar. Rosemary vinegar is quite strong in flavour and works really nicely. Can you imagine that now? In a lovely salad. You don't need to cook it, you just need to heat it through. It just comes to a simmer. I'm going to pop in a few herbs in there, and I'm also going to put a few little herbs in here as well. So this is the lemon thyme, and whip her off. She doesn't need to boil, so that's grand. So you can be quite generous because this can take the flavour. Just check that and make sure I have enough. Happy with my colour scheme? Yes, that's looking good. And next, all we do is we've got to get this back in here. Let's just go with our jug or a funnel if you have one, whatever you have to hand, and you pour the hot vinegar in over what you've already got in here. There we go. There we go. There's already lovely lemony aroma coming off of this. Look at that. Now, I also still have in here some of that lemon zest. Woo! Just a whiff of vinegar there. Oh, that's not good for the eyes. Let's just get some of that in here. So if you're making a nice little sauce, this will work really, really well. Personally, I tend to use these herbal vinegars a lot for making really nice salad dressings because the work is done already. You've got the flavour already in it, vinegar itself. And then a nice good quality olive oil or Irish rapeseed oil. Now, we'll just leave that to settle, let it cool, and you can give it a shake around when it's settled and you get all your lovely colours coming through. So once it's settled, everything blends nicely. So that's it. There is your lovely lemon thyme and lemon herbal vinegar. Enjoy it.